Every day in the morning, try the Palak Ginger Beetroot Detox Drink. To prepare this drink, we're going to take a cup of washed, peeled and cut beetroots in a mixer jar. To this, we add some finely cut pieces of ginger. Then we add some palak which is nicely washed and chopped. To this palak, we then add some water to the mixer jar and it is now ready to be ground. Here you can see the juice nicely ground, and we now add some more water to dilute it a little bit so that the juice comes of good consistency. We run this through a nice sieve so that all the hard particles of the juice is taken out. To this we add some lemon, a spoon of salt, some pepper and a spoon of honey. Our Palak honey ginger juice is ready to be had. It's highly detoxifying and a very good juice to be had early in the morning.